Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Bolt application. Whether you are switching devices, reinstalling the app, or returning after a break, this guide will help you access your account without losing progress. First of all, launch open the Bolt application on your smartphone, and in the login screen, go ahead and select one of your login options. You can choose to enter your mobile number, log in with Apple, Google, or your Facebook account credential. Go ahead and select the same method that you previously chose while signing up for Bolt. Since I signed up with phone number, I'm gonna have to type in my phone number in the text box at the top and tap on sign in. On the next page, you'll receive a verification code sent to your mobile number via SMS. Type it down in the text box once you receive it. After you do that, you'll be logged in to your Bolt account quickly and easily. So that's how you easily sign into Bolt with just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.